First up, we have the Deuce Coupe that I made for my uh, good buddy Matt for his 50th birthday. It was a bit of a quick one. I had 2 weeks of hour and a half evenings to make this in time, but I managed to get it there, and he was really quite happy with it, and I was too. I think it came out pretty well. And that final picture there shows how much so. Then next up is the loosely based Ford F100 truck. Which I just made sort of for myself, but I've recently sold to a guy in the States, so pretty happy with that one. Next up is the Ford Mustang Fastback, which I made for my brother for his 50th birthday after discovering that was his favourite car. I thought I'd give that a go. It came out pretty well, I think. He seemed pretty happy with it, so all good. Next up is the Shelby Cobra, which again I made for myself. Used a scale model that I brought and then just doubled up the dimensions to make this one with. I have recently sold this to a guy in Spain and no end of troubles with customs, but there you go. Next up is a 1949 F1 panel van, which is commissioned for a guy who lived nearby me, who I met at the Didcot Craft Fair in 2024. He was well happy with that present for his dad for Christmas. Next up is a 1955 Chevy truck, which I was commissioned to do for a guy in the States. He received it very nicely and was well happy with it. He even said it was a work of art. And last but not least is the Triumph Test that I made for my dad. He was always on about wanting one again, but I couldn't afford a real one, so I made him this model. I hope you like the video. And if you do, please do comment. And perhaps if you're interested in having one made for yourself, also hit me up in the comments and we can start a conversation. Many thanks.